People are comparing what's happening now with crypto to the early days of the internet. The early days of the internet turned into a very dark period, like a nuclear winter for investors, because nobody knew which internet stocks would work. Most of them just disappeared. In 2000, 1999, you'll buy a basket of internet stocks, you'll buy a mutual fund. It didn't matter because the real winners didn't even emerge yet in the internet. Netflix, by any definition, is a huge stock market winner. It didn't go public until 2002. Google, one of the biggest winners of all time. It didn't go public until 2004. Facebook, huge winner, didn't go public until 2012. The point is, the stocks that took the NASDAQ up, because it wasn't just Microsoft and Apple, you needed the market cap, the heft of these other three companies, Netflix, Google, and Facebook, to move the market up to its current valuation, to its current price levels. That is significant. They didn't even come out until after the early days of the internet. So when you compare crypto to the early days of the internet, I'm thinking that pretty much any crypto you have today, when crypto finally becomes broadly adopted or some version of crypto becomes broadly accepted and we have the real blockchain that everybody uses, it's probably nothing that is in existence yet. That's how risky this stuff is.